Cultural differentialism emphasizes that cultures are essentially different and are only affected by global flows. This is similar with the religion of Islam and Christianity, even though they come across often. They are essentially different and cannot be mixed together no matter how often they are exposed with each other. They cannot merge as one, or because of their combination something new can be created, a new religion. They are essentially different that they will maintain their each and unique attributes and perspectives. Cultural convergence, on the other hand, stresses homogeneity introduced by globalization. A particular values, customs, food, forms of government, and economy become the same with different countries. The practice will become the same. Like the effect of Christianity as religion during the Spanish colonization period, many of their colonies become adherents of the Christian faith. Cultural hybridization emphasizes the integration of local and global culture, and this will result in a new culture. The concepts are sometimes called globalization. Something new came out, like when the Spanish language had been introduced to Zamboanga. A new form of dialect was formed called Chivicano. Hardwired is one of the concepts referred to as one of the origins of globalization. It provided that the cradle of civilization started from Africa, but from the basic motivation of human beings to seek a better life, they started moving out from Africa and going to other parts of the world seeking for a better pasture, a greener land, more opportunities for hunting, and other human needs like war, religion, and education. From the natural instinct of man for a better life and as basic motivation of human beings to look for something more, globalization started. Globalization also implies the weakening of government structures and state sovereignty. What was once absolute, the sovereignty and independence of every city-state, the power and authority to enact laws and govern under their own specific territories, and freedom from interference from other countries. But because of globalization, this has slowly weakened as countries and government recognize the power of international organizations like the United Nations and the power of international corporations. Countries cannot practice their sovereignty the same as before. They cannot help but recognize the power and their reliance on international aid and cooperation. Because of this, certain policies will be determined based upon this need to be part of the international community and maybe not what is solely needed by the country under their authority. Like when there is a criminal violation in our country, instead of being tried under our exclusive laws, international bodies are interfering and seeking part of the investigation adjudication even in our criminal proceedings, which is supposed to be exclusive for us and independent, not as part of our independence and sovereignty.